Hi everyone, it's me, Eve. Hi everyone, it's me. So today I will be showing you my obby skills, including cotton tower of misery, and surprise one. So let's join the game. So first we're doing cotton tower. Go. I'm just going to equip something. My mouse scared. Okay. Alright. So sorry, I'm not a very fun YouTuber. I don't do much fun stuff. Give me ideas, please. I guess I'll also tell you things about me. I'm part Irish and Finnish. Getting a bunny soon because my bunny died and spelled. That's very sad. Sorry. No, it's not sad. But another thing is I'm a tiny bit addicted to TikTok. But I'll show it. Never mind. I can't. I'll show it if I can at the end of the video. I'm pretty sure I can. So what's gonna happen? Oh right. I'm also addicted to Leonardo DiCaprio. As you can see on my shirt. Yeah. It's because when I learned that, or in my friend's TikTok, if you follow me. Because of how all about Leonardo. Another thing I might do while I do this.
How's he doing?
Sorry, my dad just walked in. My controls aren't working. Alright, I'll have to put my mouse now. Alright. Another thing, I love Harry Potter. Like most people. But one thing I do not have in common with most people, I don't like Draco that much. It's sad, his life, but he's also pretty mean to Harry, especially Ron. Fuck him. I don't know. But I have reasons why I don't like him. What was the... Alright, I love Flamingo. Yeah, yeah, this flamingo is here. Yeah, you can. That flamingo. And then... yeah, that's... But let's get back to this. I forgot about this. No, I don't have an editor. I edit my own videos. I also like Jesse V. I've been on Roblox 2 years now. But I keep getting different accounts. Some of them logged me out and I didn't know what to do. I also like horses. Like a lot of human beings. There's 4 houses selling in my neighborhood. And at least one of them has to have a person my age. Or even whoops. I'm tired a lot. Dear. I'm not that good at obbies, as you can see. I ride dirt bikes usually, and I don't ride them like often, but I ride them kind of often, like somewhere in the middle of. I like Ron a lot. I also like Edward, and a lot of people. There's too much to mention. No, but I love Titanic. I think I already told you that. Yeah, I'm terrible at hobbies. I might just do like TikTok videos for them, like playing TikTok videos in videos, because like I know that's what some of you like, that a lot of you probably watch. Yeah. My birthday is January 7th, if you want to write it on your calendar. Probably don't. Try my best. There's a lot of things. Let me just move this. Down the middle. That. I made it. But let's not jinx it. One time I almost got eaten by a creature. Not like a dog, like what most of you might be thinking. It was me and my friend, like, saw, I think, I didn't really look. We, like, saw an old lady that was very tall, that was just all in black, and we thought we were gonna get eaten. It was at the end of my street. I don't go back there anymore. Like, we have woods at the end of our street. Yeah, we have woods at the end of our at the end of our street, and it's like there was a house that I think is gonna be built there because there's cement like kind of in a round circle, and it's kind of, it looks like it was gonna be a house. We moved to this house like 6 years ago, so we don't really know, I don't think. Like, two of our neighbors, but a lot of them are moving out. So we'll okay. Well, I keep falling and I can't really do anything anymore. So it's gonna have to be video when I play this game. I guess I could play like the last couple minutes of my video doing Tower of Misery. So someone went crazy in the server and brought up a bunch of games. I hope it isn't one of those like mean people who do that every time they join a server that are like really annoying. Yeah. I also might do reaction videos. Those are easy to do. It's fun to do. I'll call you this now. Because they were just here. Because we had one of my grandma's friends come over because it was her birthday, and like it was like my mom's aunt. She was little, so we of course had to have her over because like she's like family. I'm not that good at this is uncommon, but I'm not that good at doing obbies on computers or PCs. So like, you know, like I play on like tablets or phones on the obbies, so I'm not used to it. So yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video here. Goodbye, my beautiful subscribers. Let's still have 6 my camera just fell and broke. Goodbye. I will see you guys.